Hey, boys and girls, welcome to Mrs. Walker's sixth grade virtual science class. And today's standard that we're going to cover is a sixth grade life science standard that states analyze and interpret data from observations to describe how fungi obtain energy and respond to stimuli. So, to begin, let's define what exactly is a fungus or fungi if you're talking plural. Fungi are a group of living organisms classified in their own kingdom. They are not animals, they are not plants, they are not bacteria. Unlike bacteria, which have simple prokaryotic cells, fungi have complex eukaryotic cells like animals and plants. So let's compare fungi to plants. I think most often when people think of a fungus, they do seem to think that maybe they are a type of plant, when in fact they are not. Fungi were once classified as plants, however, they are different from plants in two important ways. The first way is that the fungi cell walls are composed of chitin rather than cellulose. And then, probably the biggest reason and difference is because fungi do not make their own food like plants do through photosynthesis. Fungi have to obtain their food from another source. So let's talk about how they obtain that food or that energy. All fungi are heterotrophic, which means that they get their energy they need to live from other organisms. Like animals, fungi extract the energy stored in the bonds of organic compounds, such as sugar and protein, from living or dead organisms. So we're going to take that and lead it into explaining the life cycle of a fungus. Fungi start life as tiny spores. When a spore lands on a favorable real estate, depending upon the species, this might be a slice of bread, a fallen log, or a pile of leaves, it sends out a thin, hair-like tube called a hypha. The hypha secretes enzymes that break down the chosen food source. These enzymes are similar to those found in the stomachs of animals, but digestion takes place outside of the fungus. Nutrients are then absorbed by the hypha. So, why do we need fungi? How are fungi important? Well, I can answer that with one simple word: penicillin. In this single form, fungi have a profound impact on human life as we know it. It doesn't end there, though. Like warm, fluffy bread, stinky cheese, thank the fungi. Glad you don't have to slog through indemonstrable piles of dead plants from eons gone by. Thank the fungi because they're the ones breaking down the dead organic material. Enjoy morels sauteed in butter or truffles, shaved thinly over pasta. Well, that one's obvious, isn't it? So that's the enjoyment of eating the mushrooms, because mushrooms are the largest part of the fungi. So fungus, the most important thing that they do for us is break down dead materials. All right, guys, that is it for this lesson. See you next time.